What's up, you guys? It's your girl Rodera Cubby, back at again with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you the most effective way I go about planning out my week. The first thing I do is grab a notebook and a pen. I then sit down and begin brainstorming a list of everything I have to do that week, from small tasks to appointments and events. After brainstorming my list, I go back and put the day of the week that each task needs to be done beside it. And if I don't put a day beside it, it means it can be done any day of the week. Next, I go to my computer and I open up my Notion to-do list. Now that I'm in Notion, I take my to-do list, everything that's on here, and I put it in here based on what days I wrote on here. So, for example, Wednesday, I have to film 4 videos. So I'll type in film X4. And then I can go and I open it up, and then I can set the category. This is a task for YouTube. My priority, this is a very high priority task. I really need to film these videos. Status, to do, and then down here, I'll add in a to-do list, and then I'll go through and I'll write out the list of videos that I need to film for that day. Okay, see, now I have the list of the videos that I need to film for that day, and any task that I put on here that has subtasks, I put it in and I go through and I put out all the subtasks under it. So now I'm just gonna continue to go and put all these tasks in here. Okay, now I have everything for the week all on here. Everything that I need to get done this week is on here under a specific day. And then if I scroll down, you can see I have my calendar. This is a calendar view, and this is for this week. I pretty much already had everything that I have for this week in here, like, you know, doing my DoorDash video. I put this on here twice. I'm gonna take it off of here because I put it on here twice. Okay. And like appointments, bills, all that stuff is already in here for the week. And then I keep scrolling. Down here, I have my master to-do list. So like if I think of something during the week that I need to get done, but it doesn't have to get done like this week, I put it on a master to-do list. And as you can see, I have a due date, which is the day that I'm going to actually complete the task, and a due date, which is the day that the task has to be complete. Now every task doesn't have a due date, D-O date, and every task doesn't have a D-U-E date, but I use whichever one is necessary for the task. And then down here at the bottom is where I have my habit tracker, and this week is over, so I need to actually add another one for next week. Well, last week is over, I need to add another one for this week. April, is today the 11th? Yes, today is the 11th. The 11th through the, literally a calendar right here. 11th through the 17th. And yeah, automatically generate me a new habit tracker. And yeah, that's all I got for this video, you guys. If you liked it, go down below and smash that like button for me, and subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, bye.